Next up, we have Miss Sabaya Beth De Jesus.
Happy birthday, Ate Lainey. Love you.
Next up, we have Miss Francine Brianna Vidano.
Happy birthday, Ate Lainey. Wish you all the best. Stay happy.
I love you.
I love you.
And last, we have Mr. Miles Augustine Vidano.
Happy birthday, Lainey. More birthdays to come.
Almari na ako.
Thank you. Ay, si Iris umabot.
Again, Mr. Chester Bray Suarez.
Ano ba eh? What's the name? I love you. I love you.
Sige.
I love
Happy
you.
birthday, Ate Lainey. I love you.
Sab-sab, lakas naman boses mo. Sab-sab, ikaw na.
Miss Selena Maria Santos.
Maria, pasok. Maria, ikaw na.
Birthday, Ate Lainey.
I love you.
Thank you.
Next, we have Miss Alice Shara Hipolito.
Si Iris, wala. Ako late, wala.
Next up, we have Mr. Chester Bray Suarez. Suarez. Next, we have Mr. Sean Daniel Razon.
Happy birthday, Lumi. Happy birthday, Ate Lainey. Present Joel.
I love you.
I love you.
Next up, we have Mr. John Miko Suarez.
Wait lang ah.
Happy birthday po, Ate Lainey.
I love you.
Next, we have Miss Maria Antonieta. Next up, we have Miss Alessia Ad.
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate Lainey.
Lakas naman boses mo. Wait lang ah, tatawagin yung name nyo.
Next up, we have Miss Wendrix Schuyler Tan.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
Next up, we have Miss Maria Isabel Suarez.
Ako rin yung pin.
Hello, baby. Happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you, Mrs. Suarez. Next, we have Miss. Hi, Lainey. Happy birthday. Enjoy your vacation here in the Philippines. God bless. Thank you, Mrs. Marioles. Next, we have Mrs. Marifi Hamamura.
Napasok sa akin yan.